So hey guys, till now we understand why we have to learn Python and why we have to go for the Python. Right? So now we learn about, so now we have to see what is Python basically if we are learning from the scratch. So basically Python is a programming language. So which type of programming language? My next question is which type of programming language? So it is an interpreted programming language. So what is the meaning of interpreted? Meaning of interpreted is code will directly executed without compiling it to the machine language, machine code. Now next question is what is machine code? So machine code, our machines only understand the 0 and 1 digital language, 0 and 1 digital. So if I am writing something, string is equal to Python. So firstly, in any language, it is compiled. In Java, you know about the compiler is there. Firstly, the code is compiling and then it is converted into the machine language and then we get the result back. But in case of Python, the if we are writing something, string is equal to Python, it's directly compiling. It's directly interpreted with the machine. So it is not converting the code into the machine language 0112. It's directly if I am writing something your name, it's directly print into your name. So that is the meaning of interpret. Here is no need to compilation is not here, so that's why we do not need to convert our code into the machine language. So next, why they gave a name Python? What is the reason behind this? For that you have to understand the casing concept, and now the question asked from your side, what is casing? So casing is a writing a variable name in any particular particular case. If you are using camel case, so you have to write name like as my name. So my name, there are the two words. My is one word and name is second word. First word will start with the small letter and second word first letter start with capital letter. Camel case. So that's why its name is camel casing. And second is a kebab casing. Kebab casing. What is a kebab casing? So here, if we have a two word, so if we have a two word, three word, so you have to put a hyphen between two words like as this one. You can see in second kebab casing. So third one is a Pascal casing. So what is Pascal casing? In Pascal casing, we have to write the variable name. If we have a two word, it will start. First word is also start from the capital letter, camel case, and second word also start from camel case. So like as my name, my is in my first word is in my word, first letter will chemical case and second word first letter will chemical case, like as my in my M is capital and in name N is capital. So now the questioning, what is snake casing? In snake casing we are writing underscore between the two words, but all letter of the two word will be small. You can see in last snake casing. So mine underscore name underscore is recognition of the snake. So you can tell now easy. So what we are using in Python and what is the Python basically? So Python is a name of the snake, right? And we are using snake casing in Python. So that's why they're giving a name to this language Python. Okay guys, now maybe you get easy to get so why they give a name of the Python, and what is Python, and what is interpret language, and why it is interpret language. Thank you guys. I will come up with the next video, and we will, as soon as possible, we will start coding part after one video only. Thank you. Thank you so